Now, are you fed up with people adding you to Telegram groups that you don't want to be in? Well, let me show you how to block that from happening. Now, if you're doing it from your PC, this is what I'm about to show you, but it's pretty much the same for a mobile phone as well. Now, what you want to do on your PC, on your Telegram, in the bottom, you want to come down to this icon here that looks like a cog. And then when you're on here, you want to navigate to privacy and security. Click on there. And then what you want to do is come down to groups and channels. Click on that. Now, when you're on this screen, it says, who can add me to groups and chats? Everybody, my contacts, or nobody. So if you click on nobody, then that means nobody will be able to add you to any groups whatsoever. Now, if you found this video helpful, please make sure you give me the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more how-to videos. You have a great day, and I'll speak to you soon in another video. Bye now.